Good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Dr. P. Janagaratnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous video series, I already discussed about the gears, gear terminologies, and what are the basic types of gears which will be used for the transmission and all discussed. Today, I am going to discuss about the epicyclic gear train and its automobile applications. Okay. So first of all, what is mean by epicyclic gear train? So planetary gear set, which will be considered the sun gear and planet gears, central sun gear and surrounding planet gears, and the outer ring gears. So rotating carrier, planet gears mount on a carrier, enabling the orbital motion around the sun gear. The sun gear is central, so the planet gear is rotated 360-degree based on their sun gear, which will be an ideal position. So multiple ratios. Compare systems for varied gear ratios by fixing a compass. So next, the visualizing the epicyclic gear train. So this is the gear train. Here, this is the sun gear. Based on this gear, the planet gear will be rotated around the 360-degree. So the epicyclic gear train efficiently distributes the load with the planet gears meshing simultaneously with both the sun and ring gears. Okay. So why use this kind of epicyclic gear trains means high torques, the maximum power in a minimal space. It will only require the minimal space and flexible ratios. Achieve the diverse gears ratios by fixing the different components and versatile applications like the robotics, turbines, and crucials for the automatic power transmission systems. So the automobile differential purpose, and this is the challenge, allows the wheel to rotate at different speeds during the turns. Here, the differential parts are which will be used in the automobile vehicles like car. So where we are applying this kind of differential means wherever we are turning our car means the differential will be used and allow the wheels to rotate different speeds during the turns and prevents the wheel slippages and binding on the curve and ensure the smooth and the safe concerning by accommodating the varying levels of wheel bars. Okay. So the how the epicyclic gear trains form the differential means the power in ring gear receives the power from the drive shaft and the wheel connections one planet gears carrier connects to the one wheel and the wheel connections to the sun gears links or the other wheel. So this is the how the epicyclic gear trains form the differential. So one is the ring gear which will receive the power and wheel 1 and 2 which will be connected to the planet gear and the sun gears. So this intricate set of ingensially split torque enabling the independent wheel speed. Based on this wheel speed, it can be monitoring and mentioning the values. So this is the differential operations in action like starting the driving means planet gears return stationary, wheels rotate uniformly. So turning, while the turning movements, the planet gears rotate on their own axis and allowing the wheels to adjust the speed. So this is the how the differential acting upon the starting driving condition as well as the turn movements. So this is the some of the limitations and solutions. So traction losses, if the one wheel loses the grip and it spins freely and halting the others. Enhancing grip, limited slip differentials provide better tractions on the both wheels and modern safety tractions control systems for further improve the safety and stability. This is the some of the limitations as well as the solutions which will be provided for usage of epicyclic gear train useless and the differential. So real world examples like hybrid cars, Toyota Prius power split which will be used for these kind of differentials like utilize the epicyclic gear trains to seamless blend engines and electric motor power, manage power flow between the wheels and motors with the high efficiency and crucials for the hybrid vehicle performance and the fuel economy. So the Toyota Precious and the split can be used for this kind of epicyclic gear train as well differentials. So why the epicyclic gears matter means compact and efficient, enables smooth turns and optimal power delivery, and safety and performance, which will give the most guaranteed. and the fundamentals for the modern vehicle dynamics and mechanical brilliance, a blend of simplicity and sophisticated engineering which will be applied this kind of epicyclic gear matters. So this is the small mind map of today's videos. Here today we are discussed about the components, operating principle, configurations, and how it will be applied for a differential and different types which will be discussed. So basic components are sun gear, planet gear, link gear, and the planet carrier, which will be acted as an arm, and the other applications which will be discussed. So this is the two assessment questions based on our session, and this is the some of the reference which will be used to develop this kind of PPT. So thank you. In our next video, we have to discuss about the another one more interesting topic. Thank you.